Hello, little explorers. It's Lucy. Today, we're going to discover a beautiful prehistoric animal diorama together. Here we have a cool green forest where ancient animals like woolly mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and giant creatures once lived. Right next to it is a bright red volcano land filled with strong dinosaurs like T-Rex, Triceratops, and Ankylosaurus. And down below is a blue ocean where ancient sea animals like Plesiosaurus and Ichthyosaurus are swimming around. Today we'll learn each name and explore fun facts about the amazing prehistoric world. Are you ready? Then let's start our adventure. First, let's place the two land pieces down. One side is our green forest, and the other side is the dark volcanic land. These two pieces will be the base of the prehistoric world we're about to create. The forest is home to ancient mammals, and the volcano land belongs to the mighty dinosaurs. Don't forget to sprinkle a little line of pebbles to separate the areas and make everything look nice. Next, we'll make the blue ocean by pouring the shiny blue slime to create sparkling water for the ancient sea creatures. In the volcano zone, we'll add a few big rocks, along with dried trees and brown branches. These details make the red-hot land look more like a real dinosaur habitat. In the forest zone, we'll place the tall trees in the back and wide leafy plants in the middle to make some shade. The forest is already starting to look alive, isn't it? In the forest zone, we'll place the tall trees in the back and wide leafy plants in the middle to make some shade. The forest is already starting to look alive, isn't it? Our prehistoric diorama is all finished. Now let's explore and learn about all the animals together. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus was a meat-eating dinosaur with two small horns above its eyes. It had a slim, lightweight body built for speed. Its skin was rough and bumpy, similar to a lizard or crocodile. Its jaws were filled with sharp teeth for biting prey. Although its arms were tiny, its legs were extremely powerful. It lived in South America during the late Cretaceous. Carnotaurus was one of the fastest predators of its time. Pachyrhinosaurus. Pachyrhinosaurus had a thick, bony mass on its nose instead of a pointed horn. It also had a large frill at the back of its head for protection. It was a gentle plant eater that lived in big herds. Its diet included leaves, twigs, and low plants. It walked on 4 strong, sturdy legs. This dinosaur lived in colder parts of North America. It was brave when defending its herd. Dilophosaurus is famous for the 2 crests on top of its head. It was a medium-sized carnivore, fast and agile. Its sharp teeth helped it catch prey easily. It likely hunted in small groups. It lived near rivers and forests where prey was plentiful. Dilophosaurus lived during the early Jurassic period. Its crests may have been used for display or communication. Dinogorgon. Dinogorgon was not a dinosaur, but a prehistoric reptile-like mammal. It had a sturdy, low body built for ambushing prey. Its jaws were extremely strong and deadly. It lived in dry African landscapes during the Permian period. Dinogorgon was a solitary predator. Its thick skin protected it from bites and attacks. It was excellent at surprise hunting. Triceratops. Triceratops had 3 large horns and a wide protective frill. It was one of the biggest plant eaters of the dinosaur world. Its heavy body was supported by 4 strong legs. The horns were used for fighting predators like T-Rex. It lived in herds to stay safe. Its diet included ferns, low plants, and ancient grasses. Triceratops lived in North America during the late Cretaceous. Tyrannosaurus rex. T-Rex was one of the most powerful predators ever. It had huge jaws with banana-sized teeth. Its back legs were very strong, allowing it to run fast. It had excellent eyesight and a strong sense of smell. T-Rex ruled the ecosystem in North America. It hunted live prey and also scavenged. Despite its size, it was surprisingly agile. Three-horned dinosaur. Here is a shorter alternate version. Its 2 brow horns were used for charging at enemies. Despite its size, it was gentle and less threatened. It lived in herds for protection. It fed on low plants and shrubs. One of the most recognizable dinosaurs ever. Very brave when defending its young. Cychania was an armored dinosaur, built like a living tank. Its whole body was covered in thick, bony plates. Its tail ended in a heavy club for defense. It lived in dry deserts of ancient Mongolia. It ate low-growing plants near the ground. Its low body kept it stable and protected, one of the toughest armored dinosaurs known. Archaeopteryx was the earliest known bird. It had feathers but still kept teeth and claws like a dinosaur. It could glide between trees using its wings. It lived in European forests during the Jurassic period. Its body was small, light, and agile. It ate insects and tiny animals. It represents the link between dinosaurs and modern birds. Woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth had thick fur to survive the Ice Age. Its long, curved tusks helped dig through snow. A gentle herbivore that lived in large herds, ate grass, moss, and frozen plants, roamed the cold northern regions. Very protective of young mammoths, a close relative of today's Asian elephant. Smilodon. Smilodon had long, curved saber teeth used to pierce prey. Its body was powerful and muscular, often hunted in groups, targeted large animals like bison and ancient horses, lived in forests and grasslands during the Ice Age. One of the deadliest prehistoric cats, had incredibly strong jaw muscles. Machairodus. Machairodus had blade-like canine teeth, a fast and powerful predator, specialized in ambushing prey, lived in open grasslands and sparse forests, hunted large herbivores like deer and ancient cattle, had a strong and flexible body, an important ancestor of modern big cats. Prehistoric hyena, much larger than modern hyenas, had extremely strong jaws capable of crushing bones, lived in large cooperative groups, both hunter and scavenger, preferred Ice Age grasslands and open plains, very intelligent and social, a major competitor to other predators of the era. Thylacine. The thylacine looked like a dog, but had tiger-like stripes, a carnivorous marsupial native to Australia and Tasmania. Its jaw could open nearly 180 degrees. Usually lived alone or in pairs, hunted birds, rodents, and small animals, shy but very agile. Sadly went extinct in the 20th century. Frilled shark. Lives in deep, dark ocean waters. Has a long, eel-like body. Its mouth is filled with many needle-sharp teeth. Considered a living fossil due to its ancient lineage. Eats squid, small fish, and soft-bodied sea creatures. Swims slowly but gracefully. Can grow over 2 meters long. Saurolophus. Saurolophus had a long crest extending behind its head. A peaceful herbivore that lived in herds. Had a strong, bulky body. Its crest may have helped produce sounds for communication. Lived near lakes, plains, and forests. Found in both North America and Asia. A well-known member of the hadrosaur family. Henodus. Henodus looked like a turtle, but belonged to the Placodont group. It had a flat, wide, protective shell. Lived in shallow coastal waters. Not a fast swimmer, but very stable. Used its beak to crush shellfish and small sea creatures. Lived during the Triassic period, one of the most unusual marine reptiles ever found. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a giant marine reptile over 15 meters long. It had powerful jaws with sharp teeth, a fast swimmer thanks to its strong tail. Hunted fish, squid, and other marine reptiles. The dominant ocean predator of the Cretaceous, lived in both deep and coastal waters. A fearsome hunter of the ancient seas. Plesiosaurus. Plesiosaurus had a very long neck and 4 strong flippers. Glided smoothly through shallow seas. Ate small fish, shrimp, and squid. A carnivore, but not extremely aggressive. Its long neck helped it reach distant prey. Lived during the Jurassic period, a classic symbol of ancient marine reptiles. Ichthyosaurus. Plesiosaurus looked like a dolphin, but was a marine reptile. Had a sleek, streamlined body for speed. Very large eyes for seeing in deep water. Ate fish, squid, and small sea animals. Lived in oceans during the Jurassic period. One of the fastest swimmers of its time. Smart, agile, and highly adapted to underwater life. Tylosaurus. Tylosaurus was a close relative of Mosasaurus, but slimmer. Had a long, solid snout used to ram prey. A fierce predator of the deep seas. Ate large fish, squid, and even smaller mosasaurs. Its long, muscular body helped it swim at high speed. Lived during the late Cretaceous, one of the top hunters of prehistoric oceans. And that's the end of our prehistoric adventure, Little Explorers. Today, we built forests, volcanoes, and oceans, and met so many amazing animals. I'm so proud of you for exploring with me all the way to the end. Come back again and play with me in the next video. Bye-bye, little friends. See you next time.